The church bells are gonna go off in a good 8 minutes or so. That throw was too off. I hit my leg. It hurts so good. I have my own way of throwing this. Works always. I think someone's listening to Tupac right now. The bells will go off in 5 minutes. Ooh, that did a curve and a bounce. That was cool. Look at the church bells. That looked cool. I like that.
Go down there, Haley. Come on. Ready?
I'm gonna slowly head to my tripod. It's 57, I think. Yeah, it's 57, so I'm gonna just slowly head to my tripod. I'll start recording like about 40 seconds into 59. That cross looks like it's made out of wood. Maybe it is. I hope my phone's still on. Usually it doesn't stay on for long. Oh, would you look at that? It's actually still on. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the view I'm getting. It's pretty cool. I like the view. It looks better from this phone, actually. Probably because it's got a better camera. Why is it going at 59? Why did it start at 59? I didn't do it like that last time I was here. A lot of things changed. It went off early, and also it did more dings than usual. Well, I missed the first couple, but I mean, oh well. Oh, I wasn't even recording, was I? Oh no, the footage just stopped. I hate my phone.